In this lecture, we are going to learn how to change the items of a list.
This video is brought to you by OppiPies Academy.
So, as usual, I have created a Python program with the name list4. Name could be anything. So, let me give the comment. How do we change the values of items of a list? Okay, it's quite easy to do it. Just concentrate on the syntax that I will be telling you by giving the examples. Names is a list. I am assigning it the values, the collection of values: Anil, Mohit, David. Let me have more. Let it be Ellen, and one more Shahid, one more Keval. Okay, nice. Now suppose I want to change the value of a particular item. So but before that, let me print the whole list. So I would write print names. We have already talked about this. If you want to print all the elements of the list, you would write print and name of the list. In this case it is names, or alternatively you can write print names and within square brackets colon. We have already discussed it. Okay, now I'm going to write names 0 is equal to Lalit. Now what will happen is, there is already a value at name 0 which is Anil. That will be modified with the name Lalit. So it will be a kind of replacement. So Lalit value will take the place of Anil. So we had changed the value of this particular item. Press the right mouse button on the program name, go to run file. Okay, run file, and yeah, this is it. Now the first element is not being shown as Anil, but it is being shown as Lalit. So we were able to change the value of a particular item. Now suppose I am going to write names 3 is equal to Albert. Okay, then I will be printing the whole list by writing print names. So at 3 number index it's Alan. So Alan will be replaced by Albert because I have written names 3 is equal to Albert. So the value will be overwritten. So this is how the modification will take place. Yeah, this is it. You can see now instead of Alan, it is showing the value Albert at index number 3, that is at 4th location because index starts from 0. Now names 1 colon 3, this is the range, and what I am going to do is I am going to write a group of values. Suppose it's let the value be, suppose new 1, new 2, whatever values you want to take. So what does it mean? It means at index number 1 and at index number 2, the values will be replaced. The values are Mohit and David. They will be replaced with the value new 1 and new 2. So this is the modification that will take place. So I will print the whole list by writing print names. Yeah, as you can see, the values Mohit and David, they have been modified with new 1 and new 2. So these are the simple methods using which you can change the values of some items of a list.